Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix corrupted files on Windows 11. So what you have to do is just go to the search bar, and now in the search bar just type cmd. Now just right click over the search result command prompt. Click on the option run as administrator. Click on yes. And now you have to execute two commands one by one. I will give these commands in the video description, you can copy it from there. So the first command is DISM space / online space / cleanup image space / RestoreHealth. After this, just hit enter. So a process will start. Just wait for it to complete 100%. So what this will do is, it will scan the system for the corrupted files and repair them. So this process is now completed. Now you have to execute the second command. So just type sfc space / scannow and just hit enter. So just wait for it to complete 100%. So the process is now complete. Now just type exit and hit enter. Now just restart your system, and after restarting your system, all the corrupted files will be repaired. So this is how you can fix corrupted files in Windows 11. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.